31 days, 31 videos. That's what we're doing this month, the whole month of August. Even while I'm at work, even while I'm sitting around doing nothing, even on the weekends. Here's today's. Enjoy it. Face it, it's as hard to find as a black nano on a black lamppost. Make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss a single episode. Alright, supposedly it's about 100 feet away. Oh, there's a fence line. I know it's here. Should be able to see it. After all, it is a large. Maybe if oh, there it is. Wow. Wasn't kidding when he said it's a big box. Of course he wouldn't be kidding. I know this cache very well. Took me 2 nights to make it. How you doing, y'all? John Broyles, the Cache and Cub Master here. And we're going for one now, because I have to do maintenance on it, that you don't see enough of in the field. You see bison tubes zip tied to trees more than you happen to see this one. It's big enough to where I could, after I move some camouflage, I could actually, if I really wanted to, but because of the way the tree's situated, I can't, take a seat on it. I'm talking about a large cache. I love large caches as much as I love ammo cans for the simple fact they're big. And after a while, we do get tired of finding bison tubes that tied to trees. Now, the nice thing about large caches is they're roomy. This one happens to be a 4 ammo can cache, which basically is a 27-gallon plastic tote. You could use 5-gallon water bottles, the 5-gallon water jugs. You can use a 5-gallon bucket. You can get a big tote like I have. If it's big enough to be considered a large, you figure the large is the biggest one out there. So you're only hindered by your imagination on that. As you can see, this large happens to be nice and organized. Wow, cache owner did a good job on this. Thank you very much. Got a can. This one has a can for swag, a can for travel bugs, the log in its own can, and a can for Cito bags. Everyone is nicely marked. And it's an ammo can. I love finding an ammo can in the woods. Large cache means it gets a bigger notebook. With a nice log that you have big enough to have room to write a story in it. Let's see what travel bugs it has in it. Oh, only one left. Only one in here, and my two are in the truck. Well, hopefully whoever took them found them, because that ain't cool. And of course, when you bring a kid, you got to have the swag. Stuff we all get. And there's a goodly amount of swag in here, from a water bottle to a little applause figgy. Ah. Nice. Girl Scout troop clips and stuff. Oh, Army men! And they have all survived the summer, which is a good thing because it's been hot here. Pseudo bags, I check about every second or third time coming over here, because then I have enough Walmart or Kroger bags to put in there. But as you can see, there's still room for a few more smaller containers should I decide to put any in here. So this should go without saying that large caches are amongst my favorite caches, next to gadget caches. And, of course, ammo cans in the woods. So I'm going to go ahead, put my maintenance log, put the camo back on here, and call it an afternoon. If you happen to like what you've seen, like what you've heard, thought this was cool, and you learned something about a large cache, go ahead and hit that like button. If you think I'm ugly, Mama Shelly dresses me funny, hit that dislike button, and as always, Hulk smash on that subscribe button, and then hit that little bell right next to it so you don't miss a single thing that I have to put out. I'm looking at the lens. There's a tree right in my path. I'm John Broyles, Geocache Cub Master.